Morning guys, today's install, which is on a Sunday, which we've got the engineer out of bed. So we are flexible on a weekend if you can't get into us on a weekday. So I'm just going to give you a quick video of the accessories and a little bit of information on the unit that we're going to be putting in the car today. It's going in a E-Class W212 Mercedes, but we also cater for the two-door coupe, which is the W207. Now we can get this for the right-hand UK car, or Cyprus or Australia, or we can get it for the left-hand drive, which is obviously predominantly the rest of Europe. So just check on iceboxauto.com and ensure that the title has the relevant code, which would be RHD or LHD, which stands for right-hand drive or left-hand drive. So I'm just going to show you the parts anyway before we crack on with the install, just to show, and I'll show you a little bit on the unit itself. So the first part I'm going to show you here would be, I'll leave it in the wrapper because I don't want to get any marks on it, but this is the frame, which is for the right-hand car. So as I say, you can get it for the left-hand drive too. It also comes with this LDVS part. Now this is for an adapter cable. So the car, this is a secondary cable here, which has obviously got the RCA ins. Also it has this one. So you're going to have that input there, or you're going to have that input there, which is going to come out the back of the existing monitor. Now if you find that you've got the 10-pin square one, you just plug it into that there, and then obviously that blue end goes to that end there. If you haven't got the 10-pin, then obviously you can just plug straight into there. So obviously that's that cable taken care of. The next one is a pair of tweezers. Now this is for the 4G SIM card, which the unit will support. So you don't have to use the built-in Wi-Fi, you can use 4G SIM, and then obviously that would help you getting the card in and out of the slot. Okay, next one, GPS antenna. That's for the obvious navigation. Okay, we have this part here, which is a Wi-Fi antenna. It's like a lollipop stick, and it comes with two-sided adhesive sticker on this other side there, so obviously it'll be easy to install onto the dash or wherever you wish. This one's an AMI to aux cable. So if your car hasn't got auxiliary in the car but only has an AMI only, which should be in the glove box, you would then use this cable. This one's an external microphone here. And this would be just some instructions for installing the card and setting up the aux in the car. Okay, and obviously you get a power cable too, which is this one here, which is obviously I'm using. Now just to show you, this is the latest Android 11 processor. Comes with any core processor, and comes with 464 gig of RAM. Now you can increase the RAM if you wish, just checking the relevant sale page that you're ordering from, which will be a little tick box, and you can add it there. So as you can see, it's a nice clean interface. It's very responsive, as you can see in my touchscreen, use of the touchscreen. So obviously I'm just going to show you a little bit on the system itself. I won't show you too much because I'd like to show you the rest in the car once it's installed. So I'll just show you what we do as a company. We fully check the unit before they go in the car. Obviously if there's any issues, then obviously the work wouldn't be carried out. So we're not one for wasting people's time. Also, we don't charge on labour. So if you were to find any issues during the install, and for any reason whatsoever, and the unit couldn't go in, we would not charge you a penny. We only charge for the install work once the work's completed and it's in, and you've had checked over, everything's set up, and that you're happy with it. A lot of other independent fitters will always charge you labour. Should anything go wrong during the install, we don't. Here's the CarPlay working too. The system has built-in wireless CarPlay, and also it has the Android Auto on it, on the same app. Just to show you a little indication of how it looks. As you can see, nice, clean and crisp. Obviously you can get your DAB radio and stuff through the CarPlay app if you didn't want to go down the route of installing the offline version. Hi, so this is the finishing touch on the Android 11 system. I'm just going to give you a short demonstration into the system itself, just to show you how it runs smoothly and some of the applications that are on there. So just to show you, where you can go back to the original NTG menu, so obviously your system will work fine and as would normal. Don't lose any features of the car. So I'm just going to give you, I'm going to keep it short today, guys. So basically I'll just give you a little run through. So this system as I go preloaded onto it, but I'll be truthful with you, switch to Google Maps or download one yourself. Only reason being is because obviously the Chinese put this on the system for you, and it is quite hard to update in future. So the music is a MP3 player, so you can play your music through a flash stick. Phone is obviously Bluetooth, which I showed you earlier in the video. Video also from a flash stick. Phone link, which is mirror link on the system. Dashboard here, which shows you some of the speedometer and revs and stuff like that. You can change the colour to all them down there. DVR, this is for DVR camera if you wish to add that to the system. I'm just going to show you the applications here. I did give you a short demonstration before on what was on there. So here's the CarPlay one, which CarPlay and Android Auto, a couple of ones that we preloaded before. So if you got any questions, get in touch. Cheers, thanks very much.